Are you tired of gut issues ruining your day? Bloating, discomfort, inflammation, it's no way to start your morning. But what if I told you that your breakfast could be the key to healing your gut and feeling amazing? Stay tuned because we're counting down 10 anti-inflammatory breakfasts, and trust me, number 3 is a game changer. Kicking off our list is the tropical turmeric smoothie. This isn't just a tasty treat, it's a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory goodness. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a well-known inflammation fighter, and the tropical fruits add a dose of vitamins and antioxidants. To maximize curcumin absorption, don't forget a pinch of black pepper. Next up, we have savory cottage cheese bowls. Cottage cheese is making a comeback, and for good reason. It's packed with protein, and when you combine it with gut-friendly veggies, you have a winning combination. The probiotics in cottage cheese can help balance your gut bacteria, reducing inflammation and promoting healthy digestion. Experiment with different vegetables and herbs to find your perfect bowl. Coming in at number 8, it's avocado toast with a twist. We're not talking about your average avocado toast. This version is elevated with kale pesto and crunchy veggies. The healthy fats in avocado reduce inflammation, while the kale pesto provides a boost of antioxidants, and the sourdough bread is easier on the gut. It's a form of self-care you can eat. At number 7, we have anti-inflammatory cinnamon overnight oats. This breakfast is a gut-healing superstar. Oats provide soluble fiber, which feeds your good gut bacteria. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation, and the chia and flax seeds add omega-3 fatty acids, critical for reducing inflammation. Prepare it the night before for a quick and easy morning meal. Landing at number 6 is the vibrant strawberry matcha smoothie. Matcha is a potent source of antioxidants, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Strawberries add sweetness and even more antioxidants, making this smoothie a delicious and effective way to combat inflammation. This smoothie balances blood sugar and nourishes the body on a cellular level. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have everything bagel smoked salmon flatbread with lemony cream cheese. Yes, you can have smoked salmon for breakfast. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, powerful inflammation fighters. The lemon in the cream cheese adds a zesty twist, and the everything bagel seasoning brings the flavor. This is a satisfying and delicious way to start your day. Nearing the top at number 4 is the gut-friendly fig smoothie. Loaded with ginger, tahini, flax, and figs, this smoothie is an anti-inflammatory refresher. Figs are a great source of fiber, which is essential for gut health. Ginger is a known anti-inflammatory agent, and tahini provides healthy fats. It's a delicious and effective way to support your digestive system. Here it is, the game changer at number 3, sautéed vegetables with scrambled tofu. Load up on leafy greens like kale, Swiss chard, and arugula. They're packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Tofu is a complete protein and easy to digest, especially when seasoned with turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory spice. This combination is a nutritional powerhouse for your gut. Coming in at number 2, it's the customizable breakfast grazing board. This is an everything but the kitchen sink kind of breakfast, perfect for picky eaters and those who love variety. Include a mix of berries, nuts, seeds, yogurt, and avocado for a balanced and anti-inflammatory meal. It's a fun and interactive way to nourish your gut. And finally, at number 1, we have charred sweet potatoes with dates. These perfectly caramelized sweet potatoes are out of this world and offer a unique take on breakfast. Sweet potatoes are packed with fiber and antioxidants, while dates provide natural sweetness and additional fiber. The combination is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your gut health. So there you have it, 10 delicious and effective anti-inflammatory breakfasts to heal your gut. Remember, small changes to your diet can make a big difference in your overall health. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on gut health and healthy eating, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. What are you waiting for? Start healing your gut today.